Hello students, today I am going to teach the topic Salesforce Cloud Platform. So let's proceed with one of the cloud service providers as a Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the leading cloud service provider in today's market. The main organization behind this is the salesforce.com. So salesforce.com is a cloud computing and social enterprise software as a service provider based in San Francisco. Its cloud platforms and application, the company is best known for its Salesforce CRM product, that is customer relationship management product, which is composed of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Force.com, Chatter, and Work.com. In addition to its products and platforms, Salesforce created App Exchange, a custom application building and sharing platform. The company also has consulting, deployment, and training services. If you see the trends few years back, from the invention of mainframe computer in the 1960s, those are the higher capacity as well as higher processing computers which are in use in 1960s. Afterwards, there is a great revolution in terms of 1980s where a new concept pop up in a market that is called as a client server model. And till few years back, number of companies has adapted this client server architecture. Now in this client server architecture, there is one dedicated server and there are number of nodes or machines which referred as a client. Every clients get connected to a server with the help of various networking topology like a LAN, MAN, WAN or ring or a bus. Here the work carried out on every client gets centralized on that dedicated server. But there is a certain issue in this client server architecture. The issue is that if server gets down, it's not working properly or server is failure due to any reason, the whole work gets stopped, means number of clients get connected to the server, they cannot proceed with the application development. Number of IT companies adopted this client server model where there is an issue of listening of multiple softwares and that software is required for doing a application development. So in a place of installing that multiple copies of that software, if a developer or the development organization is going to install that software in terms of front end and back end on a server side, and the exe is going to share with the number of nodes which is called as a client, so work becomes easier. But important thing is that in this client server architecture, the server should be required very high configuration and all processes are depend on server. From this architecture, the new architecture has invented that is called as web tier or multi-tier architecture, where the three tiers get added in this architecture: tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Tier 1 is basically associated with end user or a client. Tier 2 is a middleware server, and tier 3 is a database server. In this scenario, even if you also observe, number of organization has launched, deployed their websites, and they are deployed in such a way that they got a domain name, they purchase a specific domain plan. With this web hosting plan, they selected either Linux based or Windows based server. Accordingly, they deployed their application, and that is treated as web based application. And if you want to access that web based application, so you will require internet connectivity. In this web server architecture, that is referred as a multi-tier architecture, there is an issue with an web server. Number of times web server gets down, the whole application access from the end user get slower, or there is a slow processing. So this is some invention from mainframe to a web server in between client server. What will be the good solution for that? So good solutions will comes in terms of the today's enterprise cloud computing, where you will get lot of aspects like an multitasking, security, multiprocessing, then centralized database, then 24 by 7 availability, integrity and consistency. On a basis of that, there is only one solution, that is called as Salesforce. So Salesforce is one of the cloud computing and social enterprise SaaS provider who is going to provide some customer relationship management applications or product. With this, they are also providing certain enterprise resource planning application. As the Salesforce in a various domain. Now, what does the Salesforce sell? Salesforce is going to sell in terms of the product as a sales cloud. Salesforce are providing the service cloud. Then Salesforce itself having their Salesforce One. Then it is also having one collaboration cloud that is called as a Chatter. So these are the various kinds of product offered by one of the cloud service provider, namely as a salesforce.com. Let's talk about the one of the product as a sales cloud. Sales cloud refers to the sales module in a salesforce.com. It includes lead accounts, contacts, contracts, opportunities, products, price books, quotes and campaigns. Again, there are certain limits. It includes features such as web to lead to support online lead capture with auto response rules. Then this sales cloud is designed to be a start to end setup for entire sales process. Sales cloud manages contact information and integrates social media and real-time customer collaboration through the Chatter, as it is collaboration cloud. Then the sales cloud gives a platform to connect with customers from complete up-to-date account information to social insights, all in a one place and available anytime, anywhere. Everything is automatically pushed in real time, from contact information to deal updates and discount approvals. Also, Salesforce.com created the Sales Cloud to be easy to use as a consumer website like Amazon, and build it in the cloud to eliminate the risk and expense associated with traditional software. With its open architecture and automatic updates, the Sales Cloud away with the hidden cost and drawn out implementation of traditional CRM software, that is customer relationship management software. By continuing to innovate and embrace technologies like mobile collaboration and social intelligence, the Sales Cloud has continued to pull ahead of the competition. As nowadays, Salesforce is very much popular in a CRM as well as SCM, that is a supply chain management. Let's have one example regarding this CRM. As if you buy any product, and in that product, if you get certain problems or there is a certain issues, what you will do, you will simply communicate with that organization from which that product has built. Accordingly, that organization is going to provide the assist to solve that issue, means they are giving assistance about their product. And now in a traditional, or it is in some old methods, they are going to use like an some telephonic call and call to the executive, then executive will assist your queries. But now scenario has been changed. Now different cloud solutions are available. With this, different assistance options are also available. One of the best solution is a Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud itself providing a CRM and supply chain management applications. The number of companies where there is existence of sales process, supply chain management and customer relationship, they have implemented the Sales Cloud Salesforce 1, and they are going to use different services offered by this salesforce.com. Even if that companies are running their operations with this digitalization, that is with the help of Sales Cloud. A normal way, if any vendor, those who are associated with any production based company, and they want to place certain requisitions. So if you go few years back, a normal software has been made that is called as some requisition management system or some CRM. But this is a limited. Now if they have implemented CRM and SCM with the help of this Sales Cloud, so those vendors who are located at any area or any location of this globe, they can properly place their requisition. Not only the requisition, they can be a part of processes of such a organization because they implemented the Salesforce as cloud. With this, they are providing the Service Cloud, where every company, every organization, they will keep their important information processing data at secure level, and there is a certain authentication security policies rules as it is defined by service level agreements by the salesforce.com to their client or the user. Also, if there is a certain issues while using a service cloud, Salesforce 1 or Sales Cloud, then there is one collaboration cloud which is called as a chatter. So that is one of the enhancement in this Salesforce. With the help of that, certain tickets has been generated, and what are the issues while using Salesforce product that gets resolved. That is because of chatter is one of the application which is a part of this Salesforce collaboration cloud. As who are this product for? Like Sales Cloud, this is for a sales organization that wants to increase sales productivity, gain better visibility, and attract revenue and metrics. Also, another product as a service cloud. Then, this product is for organization that want to retain customers and provide superior service while reducing complexity or process. They want to do more with fewer resources. For them, Service Cloud is one of the product from Salesforce. Then there is a new product of this Salesforce called as a Salesforce One. It is a new APIs and tools that makes building apps faster to connect with the customer, employees, partner, and the next generation of the devices and apps. And as we explained as a charter, that is one of the collaboration cloud. Now this product is for those organizations who want latest way to collaborate with reports, opportunities, and other application. So these are the several products of the salesforce.com. As there are key drivers for this custom cloud in terms of Salesforce 1, which is work as a knowledge as a service. Here, basically, there are certain drivers like a software cost, hardware and IT cost, and personal cost and risk mitigation. Let's talk about that one. It's a part of Service Cloud, which is treated as a knowledge as a service. Service Cloud refers to the service as in customer service module in salesforce.com. It includes accounts, contacts, cases, and solutions. It also encompasses features such as public knowledge base, web to case, call center, and self service portal, as well as customer service automation. Service Cloud includes a call center like case tracking features and social networking plugin for conversation and analytics. The Service Cloud delivers the world's first enterprise grade knowledge base to run entirely on an advanced multi-tenant cloud platform. That means one can get all the cloud computing benefits that salesforce.com is known for delivering without expensive data center or software. Just powerful knowledge management without the hassle of on-premises software. It's provided. Unlike standalone application, this knowledge base is fully integrated with everything else. Service Cloud has to offer all the tools one needs to run the entire service operation. When the consumer's knowledge base is a core part of CRM solution, knowledge as a process can be managed. One can continually create, review, deliver, analyze, and improve the knowledge. And because it is delivered by Service Cloud, user knowledge is available wherever other customer needs it. Also, the same knowledge base serves up to answer to the service website as a part of company's public site. As this Salesforce One and Share Service Cloud gives the tools that are needed to manage knowledge at enterprise scale, but it also delivers the same great ease of use that salesforce.com. That means user will benefit no matter what size or how complex the business is. So it is the one of the cloud service provider which is the best solution for CRM as well as supply chain management industry, and it is adopted by such organization. Thank you.